Bree the Coupon Queen, and happy Saturday morning. I'm here to bring you guys the 6 must-do deals for Walgreens starting tomorrow. So these deals are going to go from December 29th until January 4th, 2020. So a couple different tips and things we're going to go over. I do have 2 transactions to share with you guys based on one of the in-ad coupons, so stay tuned for that. If you guys are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any deals or savings for the new year. So some tips to go over with you guys. We should be getting a bunch of new coupons in our Walgreens app. If you go in your app now, you'll notice a lot of them are expired. A lot of them are expiring today. So I'm hoping that on Sunday we will get a ton of new digital coupons. Typically with the P&G insert that we're going to be getting on Sunday in the newspapers, most of those become digital coupons. So like the Pantene, we usually get a Charmin, we usually get a Bounty, so on and so forth. So make sure on Sunday morning you guys check your apps, clip all the coupons to your account that you guys will be using. Coupons.com should have some more to print on Sunday. Then they will have additional probably on Wednesday. Anytime it's the first of a new month, they usually have additional coupons pop up that day or reset from previous weeks. So make sure you guys check coupons.com Sunday and Wednesday. I will be doing a quick video on Sunday of what coupons become available, if any, on Sunday, or if it's going to mostly be catered toward the first of the year. Checkout 51, a lot of the products on there that had the rebates are all gone. So hopefully they will reset those. We'll get a ton new rebates on Checkout 51 and Savings Start as well. And we are getting a new Walgreens Savings booklet. So these are located in the front of the store. So make sure you guys grab those. The deals are also available digitally. So if you're not one to remember to bring that book up and scan it to get the additional Walgreens coupons, make sure that you clip the ones you're going to be using to your card. I wouldn't clip all of them because sometimes the app can only take so many digital coupons clipped at a time. So I would just clip the ones that you guys are going to be using each week as they go on. The Walgreens digital coupons that are found in the savings booklet will not expire. They will sit on your account for the entire month, even if you do not clip them. So don't worry about those ones disappearing. So this is in the in-store ad. So the fine print on this does say you have to spend $25 after all discounts and store credits. And before taxes. So I'm not sure if this is going to work like a typical spend 25, where it's $25 of merchandise, then you take off all your coupons and discounts, and then you had to pay with register rewards or cash. You cannot pay with points when you're getting this deal. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. So, but again, I'm not sure, the fine print read a little different than it usually does. So I will be the guinea pig for you guys like usual, and I will give this a shot probably on Monday, and I'll let you guys know what comes of it, and I will post about it for you guys. So it is in the Walgreens ad. I do not believe it's going to be digital, so just make sure that you guys bring an ad with you and have them scan it before you guys start your transaction. So I do have a scenario for you guys at the end of this video that'll use the spend 25, get a $5 register reward, and I tried to put together one that is the least out of pocket as possible. So the first deal, like I let you guys know last week, is on the Olay Body Wash. So next week it's going to be buy 2, get a $5 register reward. The current week is not a good deal. It's 2 for $11, buy 4, get 4,000 points. So if you guys are brand loyal, I know a lot of people love Olay. It's really hard to get a good deal on Olay. Make sure you guys stock up on this. So one tip for this one, because it is printing a register reward, you can only do this deal one time per transaction. You can do the deal multiple times, but it has to be in different transactions, or that $5 register reward is only going to print for you one time. So just keep that in mind if you guys are wanting to stock up on the body wash. So the deal is buy 2, get a $5 register reward. They are on sale 2 for $12. You'd pick up any 2 of the different varieties. Use 2 of the $1 off coupons that are going to be coming in the Sunday's P&G insert. We may get some print or some digital coupons as well. I'll let you guys know. You would pay $10 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward. So final cost is $2.50 each, And at Walgreens, body wash does count towards beauty, so that is really good. The $12 will count towards beauty. But remember, we're not going to be actually spending that $10 out of pocket. The scenarios in the end, I'll show you guys how to roll your register rewards and what order to do them in to pay the least amount out of pocket and be able to use some points. The next deal is on the Dixie plates again. They are buy one, get one free. There is a $1 off 2 digital coupon like you see here. It is posted in the ad. It's on the bowls or the plates, and the plates are the 2 different sizes, the large ones or the smaller ones. They are $3.99. You would pick up any 2. You can mix and match. Use that $1 off 2 digital coupon. You would pay $2.99 for 2 or just $1.49 each. So not a bad deal. Typically, we get some Savings Star or Checkout 51 rebates for the Dixie plates when they pop up. So stay tuned. I will be checking those. They haven't popped up yet, but I'm hoping Sunday we do get a deal on that. Crest Toothpaste, Oral-B toothbrushes. So I know we get toothpaste deals week after week after week, but the reason why doing this deal is so important is because we're going to use that $5 register reward to help lower our out-of-pocket for that spend deal. So you guys can stock up on either. If you have a ton of toothpaste, maybe get the toothbrushes this time, mix and match. Toothbrushes don't take up as much space, so usually I'll kind of go that route because I do have about 45 tubes of toothpaste. The deal is buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So again, you can mix and match. Typically, I'd pick up, 2 toothbrushes, 1 Crest toothpaste, whatever. So that way you can use the different coupons and make sure you're reading the coupon limit. Sometimes the coupon limit says 2 coupons per day. So in that case, you would pick up 2 of the Oral-B and 1 of the Crest or vice versa. So you'd use 3 of the $1 off coupons from the P&G insert. Hopefully some of them will be digital. Usually the Crest and Oral-B become digital as well. You would pay $5.97 out of pocket and get back that $5 register reward. So the final cost is just 33 cents each, which is not a bad deal. Typically we get toothpaste and such for free, but 33 cents is definitely not a bad price point. So for Colgate now, if you guys prefer Colgate over Crest, it's on sale, buy 2, get a $4 register reward. You're going to pick up 2 at $2.99 each. You would use 2 of the 75-cent coupons from Colgate.com. Pay $4.48, get back a $4 register reward. Final cost is just 24 cents each. So again, we're going to need to use this deal to be able to use that register reward and roll it into our next transaction. Bounty and Charmin. So a good deal on some paper products for you guys. And then again, we're going to get back some more register rewards. So the deal on these is buy 3, get a $3 register reward. So you're going to pick up 2 of the either Charmin or Bounty, but you do want to pick up at least 1 of each to be able to use the different coupons. So pick up 2 of the toilet paper, $4.99 each, 1 of the Bounty paper towels, $4.99 as well. You would use 2 of the $1 off coupons from P&G for Charmin or a digital if it becomes available. It typically does. And then use a $1 digital for the Bounty paper towels. You'd pay $11.97, get back that $3 register reward. So your final cost is $8.97 for all 3 items, or just $2.99 each. So not bad for some paper products. And a new deal I wanted to share with you guys. It's not the best deal. There is a better deal going on at Dollar General for today only, Saturday only deal, using that 5 off 25. But I wanted to share it with you guys anyways in case you guys don't have a Dollar General. I will be posting that video shortly after this one if you guys want to take advantage of that. I am running super low on detergent in my stockpile. I'm almost out. So I wanted to share this with you guys. We don't get a lot of Finish deals. So if you guys need some as well, you can take advantage of it. So you're going to pick up 1 of the Jet Dry or the Finish Quantum tablets. This is the smaller ones. It's only the 12 or 14 pack. They're on sale $3.99. Use a digital coupon or from previous inserts. You'd pay just $2.99. So it's still not a bad deal. Again, there's a better deal at Dollar General. But if you're able to use points or roll register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket, not a bad deal to stock up on some dish detergent. Okay, so this is going to be the 2 transactions that I'm going to do for you guys. to help lower our out-of-pocket using that spend $25, get a $5 register reward coupon. So the first transaction, you're going to pick up the 2 Colgate toothpaste for $5.97, 3 of the Crest or Oral-B combination, $8.97. Total is going to be $14.95. The coupons, you're going to use 2 of the 75-cent coupons from Colgate.com and 3 of the $1 off coupons from the Crest and Oral-B. Total is $4.50 in coupons. So you would pay $10.45 plus taxes. Hopefully, if you guys have been following my channel and doing some of the deals that I've been doing, you have at least 10,000 points to use. So you would use 10,000 points and pay just 45 cents out of pocket plus taxes. You'd get back the $4 register reward for the Colgate and the $5 register reward from the Crest. And we're going to roll that into transaction number 2. So here's the scenario I put together for the spend $25, get a $5 register reward. Now, there are a ton of other scenarios, obviously, that you guys can put together. Some other ones that I'm seeing posted online, you're getting back a lot more register rewards and points. However, the out-of-pocket is like $20 to $25, so it's a really high out-of-pocket. So I wanted to put this together for you guys to try to lower the out-of-pocket as much as possible, because that is the reason why we coupon and try to use the reward points and register rewards to help keep the out-of-pocket as low as possible. So you're going to pick up the 2 Olay, again, that does count towards beauty, for $12. 3 of the Bounty and Charmin for $4.99 each. Total is going to be $26.99 plus taxes. Coupons, you're going to use 2 of the $1 off Olay from the P&G insert or digital. 3 of the $1 off coupons for the Bounty and Charmin from the P&G or digital coupons. So the total for the coupons is $5. So we're going to have the total product at $26.99. Minus the $5 in coupons is $21.99. You're going to use those $9 in register rewards from the first transaction to lower your out-of-pocket. Now you're only paying $12.99 plus taxes. Get back a $5 register reward for the Olay, $5 register reward for the spend 25 deal, and a $3 register reward for the Charmin and Bounty deal. So total you're going to be getting back is $13 in register rewards. So the final winds up being a complete freebie, which is super awesome. And I tried to get that out of pocket again as low as possible for you guys. So if you have any questions or anything, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know what deal you guys are going to be taking advantage of next week, and I'll see you guys next time.